Do you know the one thing that separates the successful affiliate from the unsuccessful affiliate? I'm going to tell you right now, it's bonuses. And have I got the perfect thing for you? My cats are here. They're excited about it as well. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Stacker. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can bone successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Well, yeah, I do like the hat. Okay, thank you very much. You can go back to whatever it is you're doing, but I like the hat. Okay, even my cats like the hat. So yeah, we're gonna definitely go with the hats. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask. Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, dude, you know what? You can keep all the crap you like, but these people don't like crap. I don't like crap. So we're not going to do the crap thing. Okay. Seriously. That's it. No crap. Anyhow, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my answer to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. Now, you see, Liz, for the time being, we're fellow New Yorkers. Until next week, I'm going to be going back home to Pennsylvania to my beautiful house that we just bought. We just finished renovating. We're still getting some furniture. We have our movers are coming tomorrow, actually. So very exciting stuff. But for the time being, Liz is a fellow New Yorker, so I can tolerate the fact that she says the same things pretty much every single day. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon, be notified when I drop new videos. Because thanks and subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Stacker. Now, this is from my friend Brian Winters. Now, Brian is one of the top names in the industry, and he realized that you really need to have your own bonuses in order to be able to make money in this industry. It's a standard thing. It's expected they're going to have bonuses. And by the way, I have some really great bonuses. And I will admit, I do not use Stacker the way that most people would use Stacker. I do occasionally use some of the bonuses from Stacker, but you can also use Stacker to actually create your own bonus pages. I have my own that I created a long time ago that I prefer just because I'm used to it, but you don't need to use it. That's the nice thing about Stacker. You can use it, especially if you don't have one that you've already done, you can use Stacker, and that's really, really cool. Now, before I get to the members area and show you what it is, I do want to tell you about my custom list because I have the best custom list. I have 150 additional courses that are not included with Stacker that you're going to get to give away as custom bonuses. Plus, I am giving you a preview of my Beaverse course. Beaverse stands for Bonus Reverse. Basically, the idea behind this is that I came up with a method of reversing bonuses so that it actually is going to benefit you and make you more money. It's really, really powerful. It's something very few people know about. You're going to get that as a custom bonus as well. But if you pick up any upgrade worth at least $40, and that could be one upgrade worth $40 or a combination of the different upgrades. You know, I'm not going to go through all the upgrades right now, but any upgrade worth $40, you get 10 licenses to give away for Storius, for my software, which creates story-based emails that are ready to go. I'm going to give you 10 licenses that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus, whatever. Basically, you're going to get your own custom coupon code that has 10 uses to get a free copy of Storius that you'll be able to give away. Now, on top of all that, of course, Stacker itself is just an insane product because it comes with thousands upon thousands of bonuses. Let me show you the members area real quick, just so you understand what exactly is here. So first of all, what you can do is you can select different types of funnels. Okay, so you have internet marketing, health and fitness, or self-help. So it's not just for the internet marketing industry, it's for a variety of different things. And then you can actually customize it. So you can add the name of the product, you can add your offer, you can also add your YouTube embed code. So for example, if I were going to do this, I would just take my YouTube video and place here. Again, I have my own that I've been using for many years that I like, but this thing works beautifully and you don't have to do anything. You can add the logo for the product and the product image as well. Right, and then basically you can add every single thing that you want here. You can add a headline image, a text headline, custom product description, okay? And all these things can be included, but what's really, really cool, okay, you can actually add in bonuses from Stacker. There are thousands upon thousands of bonuses that are included. You can also have them ready-made, start using it. Plus, Stacker now includes traffic, where it's actually going to send you clicks to your Stacker offers completely for free as part of the package with Stacker. It's really an amazing, amazing product that I'm very, very pleased with. I personally have been using Stacker occasionally to find new bonuses to give away just because I like some of the bonuses here. I do like my own custom bonus page only because of the fact that I've already customized it to look the way I want it to look, and I have a particular look and feel that I've been using. But if you don't have one, this is amazing because it's all automated for you. You don't have to do any of the work yourself. It's really, really cool, does the job, and it comes with tons and tons of bonuses that you can give away completely for free. It's all included in the software. And so it's really just, it's completely done for you. All right, so let's see if I'm going to give a tip Matt's product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you're the man. You're the man. You're the man. The man. Okay, I love this thing. It's awesome. Grab this one. You're going to love this.